Alright guys, thanks for joining me on another unboxing of this Alpha Outpost. This is the month of December. Its theme was chestnut. Chestnuts being related to Christmas, Christmas being in December. So I'm excited to see what we got inside this box, and thanks for joining me. I'm going to adjust the camera and we'll see what's inside. Alright guys, we're going to do this unboxing with the Pathfinder PSK03, the knife kit. You guys have seen this in my previous video, so let's get to it. I'm excited to see what's inside. Again, they've changed to the nice cards instead of having the cartoon comic. This has a nice winter survival kit, suggestions for what you should put in your vehicle, cleaning off your car, just making sure you're ready for winter conditions. And some instructions on how to roast your own chestnuts. It's pretty interesting. So we'll set that aside for now. First thing we have on top is a nice beanie. It also has an area right here in the front for a patch. So let's open this up. Looks like a pretty nice beanie. Like a charcoal gray. Nice Velcro. You can put some of these patches on there. Pretty cool item. Alright, next, awesome patch. Got a squirrel with a couple chestnuts in his hand. They look a little more like acorns to me, but maybe that's just size. That's pretty awesome. Next item we have is a nutcracker. Drop your various size nuts in there, crush them, collect the pieces you're eating on the bottom. That's pretty cool because I buy those bags of various nuts for winter time that I eat on regularly. So that's pretty cool. I just had to buy a new one of those this year. Next item. Well, this is cool. I just considered buying one of these not too long ago. It is a face mask. Has a little bit of a port there. Some breathing areas. Gray in the front. Not too thick, but not too thin. And some decent Velcro on the back. Definitely some great items we could be using for winter to help keep us warm. Let's see what the next item is here. Alpha Outpost Cashmere. Alright, let's open it up. Oh, that's nice filling. We have a scarf. That's pretty cool. And the charcoal collars match the beanie pretty well. Pretty cool. Next item. Goggles. Let's get into this. The only goggles I ever wore is when I was driving a tank, but these look pretty cool. Nice polar lens. Help you with that snow blindness. Good foam around it to feel comfortable on your face. Has good flex to it. Nice elastic. And then it also has a interchangeable yellow lens in case you want to swap those out. It's a nice item. And last in this box is the tactical stocking. Has your molly webbing, different clips, Velcro patches. You can unzip the side so you can stuff it full. Has the silicone impregnated for waterproofing, and it is a stocking. This one just may have to replace mine on the fireplace. So I'd say this is a pretty good box. Has all kinds of things that you need for winter. Stocking obviously not a necessity, but it's pretty cool. Goggles to help with anything you'll be doing outdoors, especially combating that snow blindness you can get from sun reflecting off of the snow. a nice cashmere scarf to help keep you warm, a beanie, keep that body heat trapped in from escaping from your head, a nice face mask to cover up your ears, neck, and all that, and an added bonus, a nutcracker. So all in all, I'd say this is a pretty good box, especially for the cold weather. Alright guys, thanks for joining me on this other unboxing from Outpost, the December chestnut box. And we will have more coming in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless.